Hi guys, I got this USB outlet receptacle. As you can see, the brand name is Wallpad. This unit has regular shape and came with built-in USB ports. I'm replacing my current wall socket with this. The USB ports can recognize attached device type and deliver the highest, safest power and optimize charge accordingly. This is ideal to charge smartphone, tablets, etc. Let's start. Things you would need: a screwdriver and an electrical tester. A plier and electric wire cutter would be a helpful thing. If you look closely on the socket, you will find L and N written by these left and right side holes. N means neutral or null. L means live or hot wire. The middle hole is for ground wire. When the electricity is running and you touch the live wire with the tester, you will hear a beep. Now I'm going to the panel board and I will turn off the electricity that is going to this outlet. Before cutting the wire, make sure there is no electricity running. Unscrew both sides and cut the wire as needed. It seems a little hard to push the wire, so I cut a bit more to make it fit. As you can see, this receptacle has two black wires and two white wires. So black ones are the live wire and the white ones are the neutral wire. And you can see that I pushed both black wires in one side and both white wires on the other side. So you have to make sure the wires are properly fit in and the screws are tight before you close the receptacle. The ground wire will go in one of the middle holes, and now you make sure that all the wires are properly in and they are tight enough, because we are going to put the receptacle back into the wall. So now I turn on the electricity and check with my tester if the receptacle is working. Here you go, all set. I hope this was a helpful video for you. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.